ইউনাইটেড পিপলছ পাৰ্টি লিবাৰেল আপোনালোকক লগ পাই অতি আনন্দিত হৈছোঁ। আপোনালোকক ধন্যবাদ দিছোঁ। আজি আমাৰ UPPLৰ মুখ্য কাৰ্যালয়ত কোকৰাঝাৰত আপোনালোকে আমাৰ লগত ইয়াতে একগোট হোৱাৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকক আন্তৰিক ধন্যবাদ দিছোঁ। আজি আপোনালোকক আমাৰ ইউনাইটেড পিপলছ পাৰ্টি লিবাৰেলৰ 16তম যি অসম বিধানসভাত নিৰ্বাচন হ'বলৈ গৈ আছে 9 তাৰিখ এপ্ৰিল 2026 চনত ইয়াৰে দ্বিতীয়খন প্ৰাৰ্থীৰ তালিকা আপোনালোকক ঘোষণা কৰিবলৈ আজি আপোনালোকক ইয়াতে মাতা হৈছে। এটা হেল্ডি কম্পিটিশ্যনৰ এনভাইৰনমেণ্ট আমি ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিবলৈ আমি সক্ষম হৈছিলোঁ। ওভাৰঅল ইন আৱাৰ লাষ্ট 5 years of governance in BTR region, we have tried our best to serve the people to the best of our capacities. Now, based on our work, we are seeking people's mandate, people's blessing. We have already declared first phase of candidates. 7 candidates have so far been declared in the first phase. Today we are declaring another 4 candidates from United People's Party, and we are just reading out the names and name of the constituencies for your ready reference and for your wider circulations and publications. So the first candidate that we are declaring today is from 42 Nong Baksa ST LSC constituency, Legislative Assembly constituency, and we are so proud to announce our Honorable President of the Youth Wing and sitting MCLA and former EM, Sri Rakesh Brahmo, as the candidate of 42 Nong Baksa ST LSC. Secondly, we are declaring from 72 Nong Bohupur constituency, Bohupur, which is partially Bodoland territorial region now, because it is the Bodoland territorial region boundary has been expanded till Bohupur. So we are declaring our leader Sri Nityananda Busumatari as the candidate for Bohupur LSC. The third candidate is from the Nityananda Busumatari. We will distribute this copy to you, and we are declaring from 66 Nong Borsola constituency, Borsola LSC constituency, I repeat, and the name of the candidate is our leader Sri Baburam Busumatari. So Baburam Busumatari is our candidate for 66 Nong Borsola constituency. Next we have is from 28 Nong Boko Soigao scheduled tribe constituency. I am repeating again, 28 Nong Boko Soigao scheduled tribe constituency, and name of the candidate of our United People's Party Liberal is Sri Monoz Busumatari. I repeat, Monoz Busumatari is the candidate for 28 Nong Boko Soigao ST constituencies. Thank you so much.